Are hurricanes destroying the Florida real estate market? And what does that mean for you? We're going to talk about that next. Thanks for checking out the channel. My name's Keith Connors, realtor broker on the Florida Suncoast. Hope you will subscribe and reach out if we can help you in any way. We do these short videos to help you get to know the market so you can get your best deal every time. It's pretty simple. Now, back to our question. Are hurricanes destroying the Florida real estate market? And what happens next? I broke this down to 5 parts to understand what's going on. 1, understanding the impact. First, let's start with the big picture. Hurricanes are part of life in Florida. I've been here 20 years, seen quite a few, especially on the Suncoast. They have a huge impact on real estate. When a powerful storm hits, it can cause widespread damage, disrupting neighborhoods, and in some cases, altering the landscape. These obviously affect both property values and the overall market, but the story doesn't end there. 2, the immediate aftermath, what we're dealing with now. Right after a major hurricane, there's often a temporary hit to the market. Prices may dip as homeowners try to offload damaged properties and get the heck out of town. And new buyers are hesitant. But here's the twist. These price drops don't last forever. In fact, for most areas in Florida, home values tend to recover within a year or 2. Did you hear that? As rebuilding efforts attract new investments and there's new construction, people are ready to get a fresh start. 3, long-term resilience and demand. Let's talk about term. Florida's real estate market is incredibly resilient and demand stays high for several reasons. 1, the climate, lifestyle, yeah, they're unique. People want to live here, and that keeps demand high even after storms. The other, cities and counties have gotten better at enforcing building codes, especially in coastal areas like ours, where hurricane preparedness is a top priority. Homes built in the last 20 years and now are considered new construction, likely to withstand serious storms. Number 4, new buyer behavior and trends. But are we seeing a shift in how people approach buying here? Buyers are asking more questions about flood zones, elevation, insurance costs, more than ever before. They're looking for homes that are better positioned to withstand storms or located in slightly elevated areas. Here on the Suncoast, for example, properties on higher ground, like mine, the Seminole Ridge, where I live, are getting extra attention. This awareness is shifting buyer behavior, but not eliminating demand. Some prices, like mine, are going up. The role of insurance, number 5, and financing. Insurance is a big factor too. Florida's property insurance landscape has changed dramatically with rates going up and coverage options shifting. Lenders are paying close attention to that too, and in some cases require stricter insurance requirements before approving those mortgages. So shop around. It does add a layer of complexity. It's also making the market more resilient by ensuring that homes are well protected. Get it? And as more investors enter the market, and they will, they're creating opportunities for new kinds of financing that make the market accessible to a wider range of buyers. Finally, moving forward, what happens next? The Florida real estate market is built on that resilience, adaptation, and high demand for a lifestyle only Florida can offer. Hurricanes can disrupt the market, but rarely have ever destroyed it. By making smarter, informed decisions, whether you're buying, selling, or investing, you can thrive even in the ever-changing landscape. There you have it. A look at the reality behind the headlines. Whether you're considering buying, selling, or you're just curious about the market, understanding these factors at play after a hurricane can help make you a smarter buyer or a smarter seller. Thanks for checking out the channel. Hope you will subscribe and reach out if I can help you in any way. If you have any questions anytime, 855 Mr. Beach. Check out homes for sale on or near the beach anytime at MrBeachHouse.com.